How to fix Valorant TPM 2.0 error. So this is caused over here, um, basically from Riot Games implementation to be able to run the game on your device. So Riot implemented this to keep their players safe from these vulnerabilities and avoid cheaters. So in short, if you want to play Valorant on your Windows 11 machines, you have to enable these two options on your device. So this is basically a step-by-step method in how to do so. So first, you're gonna have to open your BIOS settings. So depending on what device you have, there should be a keybind to open the BIOS settings. So just choose whichever you are using it from, and you can open the BIOS settings. So you're gonna have to restart your computer normally as well to enable the secure boot. And when your screen flashes with the logo, press the dedicated keybind until you enter the boot menu. So you're gonna have to look for the boot option. So while it looks different on each machine, you should be able to explore basically in order to find or look up under the boot configuration. But pretty much this is what it's gonna look if you're at Dell. But again, it's gonna look very much similar. So as you can see over here in your settings and then the security boot. So select that and enable it. So press on that and then save your changes and then restart. So if you don't have UEFI enabled as well, you're gonna need to enable it first and then enable secure boot. Secure boot works in UEFI mode. So enabling 2PM 2.0. So you can do this in a straightforward method, which is to enable the trusted platform module from the BIOS settings again. So you're gonna have to find and enable secure boot on your machine. So again, restart your computer and enter the BIOS settings and navigate to Intel Trusted Platform Module Technology or TPM. So security and then into your TPM, then just go ahead and enable it and make sure it is on. So save the changes and then restart. So if you want to go ahead and check the status if it's on, just go ahead and type system information in the Windows search bar and press and enter. You'll be able to see something like BIOS mode or it should be on UEFI. So check secure boot, which should be on over here, and then the BIOS mode, which is UEFI. So if everything is same as this, you should be able to find the details and then checking the version. It should be 2.0 for the TPM as well. So you can find this in the device manager as well. So trusted platform module and then the status, and then you'll be able to see that the TPM is ready for use. So if everything is verified and pretty much good. So again, this has to be the same as this in order to potentially avoid that error. But if it is, then you'll be good to go again if the above steps are verified. So this part is pretty much just checking the status if you did this part over here right. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.